The fire didn't start with a warhead, it started with a missing doctor. Dr. Elena Puskari vanished from a Moscow genomics conference just hours after her keynote on AI-assisted pathogen targeting. The Russian government blamed Ukrainian radicals. Western intelligence knew better. By the time a NATO satellite caught the heat signature of a precision strike near Tehran, 3 more critical systems had already gone dark. One in Jakarta, one in Minneapolis, and one on a cargo vessel passing the Strait of Hormuz. None of these attacks bore traditional fingerprints, no flags, no demands, only the unmistakable pattern of surgical destabilization. They weren't attacks of conquest. They were attacks of erosion, and they were orchestrated. Deep in a Colorado mountain range, a defunct NORAD sub-facility called Station Vive opened its blast doors for the first time in 20 years. Inside, a team of civilian contractors, former intelligence agents, and unacknowledged operatives reviewed what was known as the Spark Protocol, the blueprint to dismantle civilization in layers. And it was happening. One missing doctor, one fake ferry explosion, one forged pandemic. This wasn't war, this was engineering. In a penthouse above Geneva, the man known to global markets as Aurelian Kessler reviewed the results of Phase 9. He had inherited his billions through a blend of wartime profiteering and post-war philanthropy. To the public, he was a savior of nations. To those who saw beneath the press releases, he was the lead financier of the Equilibrium Syndicate. His goal: collapse trust, collapse systems, collapse memory. America was the final firewall, and it was nearly gone. The medical system, once the envy of the world, was now riddled with critical supply gaps. Kessler's offshore foundations had already acquired 3 of the 4 largest pharmaceutical logistics companies in the Western Hemisphere. Soon, patients wouldn't just be denied medication, they'd be required to register their ideological alignment before receiving treatment. Justice was next. DAs funded by his Global Equity Initiative refused to prosecute violent offenders. Police recruitment cratered. The rule of law became rule by narrative. And through it all, Aurelian smiled. Because the people wouldn't rebel, they'd beg.